Aden Duale odiochieng' ma kawuono osidho ayanga bad migawo mabiro bedo katayo ler kod geng'o landruok mag tuoche Kenya National Public Health Institute. Bad migawo nero mabiro ting'o migepe 13 mag ler kod geng'o tuoche chano mar kelo lokruok ahinya to landruok mar midhusi makinde mathoth kelo midhiero kendo piny owacho gikone to tiyo kod omenda mathoth e chiwo thieth. Jakom mar komiti mar thieth e od bura Dr. James Nyikal ma bende nochopo e nyasino osingo mar neno ni bad migawono opuodhi kendo ketie lai mag chike ma pachoka.
The events of the recent years, from the COVID-19 pandemic to the Ebola outbreaks in neighboring countries, have taught us hard lessons. We must have strong institutions capable of acting swiftly and decisively to protect the health of our people. And this is why the National Public Health Institutes are so vital.
After we launch it today, I've been informed that it is actually now established by a legal notice. You and I know that a legal notice can be changed on Friday. The person who signed it can design it on another Friday and it no longer exists. Therefore, I think after it has been, we have established, the biggest thing now is to actually look at how we entrench it legally, so that we need an act of parliament to entrench it.